Hi, I'm Tom Bowling and I'm here with Pioneer Imports and Wholesale, and I want to share with you an idea for the Prom 2020. This is a great look from Fitz Design, and Pioneer Imports and Wholesale is a distributor for Fitz Design, and this bracelet is called Mayleigh. And it's a beautiful cuff bracelet already, has a metallic look to it, and it comes in a number of different colors. And so what we want to do to begin working with the product is I'm going to actually take this and unfurl the ribbon, take that and just tie it into a really good strong knot. That way we don't have any slippage or challenges a little bit later. So I'm going to tie that really good, and then those extra ribbons, I'm going to cut those off just because I don't want to see those in the composition. So I'll take my scissors and give that a nice tight cut. Now that bracelet is good, and the design disc is ready to work. One of the advantages of using permanent materials is that it allows us to use product that may not really work as far as fresh when we're doing personal flowers. And this happens to be one of those products. I'm going to be using some hydrangea. So right now I want to cover the disc with my liquid floral adhesive and the back of the bow. And I'm going to let those kind of set up just a few minutes just to kind of get a little bit more tacky. And then I'm going to squeeze out a little puddle that I can work from with my liquid floral adhesive. So once that ribbon or that glue gets on there and it becomes a little dull, I'm going to go ahead and place that on, and then add a little bit of foliage to give it some interest in here before adding my flowers. And again, these backs can be prepared well in advance, and if you're using permanent materials, as you know, you could for your displays, for your prom displays, you can make those at any time. So once I get that in place, now I'm going to come in and start at the outside and work my way into the center with these hydrangeas. And the blues and the burgundies are really popular once again, so that's why I've chosen these colors. I'm dipping that stem into the puddle of glue, lifting up my bow and working through the bow so it actually grabs onto the stems themselves, and it gives the bow a lot of dimension versus gluing everything down on top of it and having the bow disappear. So short stems, dipping those right in, holding those in my fingers, being generous with the glue. And you definitely want to show these on your website as well, because those kids are really looking for the place to pick up their corsages, and you want to be known for that. So put some of these examples on your website and help them out. This is probably their first time of actually buying flowers, and especially personal flowers, so it's probably brand new to everybody as far as the experience is concerned. Just a few more additional pieces of greenery here. Let's shorten that up. There we go, and we are ready to have fun at the prom.